In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export Microsoft Authenticator codes. Before we dive in, it's important to set expectations clearly. You cannot export Microsoft Authenticator codes as a file. There's no button to dump everything into a CSV, no text backup of your two-factor secrets, and no direct import into another app like Google Authenticator or Aegis. Microsoft blocks these options for security reasons. If those secrets could be exported freely, they'd be easier to steal or share, which defeats the point of strong two-factor protection. So what can you do? The closest and officially supported approach is Microsoft's Cloud Backup and Restore. Think of this as preparing a safety net so your accounts can be restored on a new phone rather than exporting raw codes. Here's how it works. On your current phone, open the Microsoft Authenticator app and go to Settings. Turn on Cloud Backup, then sign in with your Microsoft account. That's it for the setup. Behind the scenes, Authenticator securely backs up your accounts so they're ready to be restored later. This doesn't create a file you can open or share. It simply stores an encrypted backup tied to your Microsoft account. When you get a new phone, install Microsoft Authenticator from your App Store. Open it, choose Restore from Backup, and sign in with the same Microsoft account you use for the backup. After a moment, your saved accounts will reappear in the app. This is the smoothest way to move your two-factor setup between devices without manually re-adding every account from scratch. There are a few limitations to keep in mind. Even after you restore, many services will still ask you to sign in again the first time you use them. That's normal and part of keeping your account secure. Work or school accounts sometimes have extra policies, and you may need to re-add those accounts manually if your organization requires it. And to reiterate, you're not exporting secrets to move into another Authenticator app. The backup stays within Microsoft Authenticator. To recap, you can't export a file of your codes, and you can't import them into a different app. What you can do is enable Cloud Backup in Microsoft Authenticator and later restore that backup on a new phone by signing in with the same Microsoft account. Use this method whenever you upgrade devices, and you'll have a reliable, secure way to bring your Authenticator accounts with you without exposing sensitive information.